We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and related words and some of the most mispronounced ones as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? Two different ways of pronouncing this. In British English, it is generally said as defibrillator, defibrillator, with an emphasis on the second syllable. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as defibrillator, defibrillator, also an emphasis on the second syllable, but said as defibrillator in American English versus defibrillator in British English. Important to know. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.